Okay, we are breaking a big news now. It seems Virat Kohli has hit another century. So this is the 84th international century for King Kohli. Virat Kohli has scored another ton, and this is against South Africa, the ODI series that's currently underway. Now, this is a record 53rd ODI century for Virat Kohli. Extremely important as he is breaking records. Virat Kohli's astonishing ODI form continues amid speculations as to what is going to happen as he continues to display amazing form. Joining us live now is India Today's Nikhil Nas. Nikhil, another century.
Well, Anjali, what can I say? What we are witnessing is unbelievable. And that's not me talking about Virat Kohli getting 100 because that's pretty normal. The fact that here's a player who only plays one format in international cricket is getting hundreds at this consistency is a testament to the fact of how great or what a big player Virat Kohli is in the world of cricket. Absolutely incredible knock. Must remember that this wasn't an easy pitch to bat on to begin with. We saw India lose two very early wickets. There were 60 for 2. From there on, that partnership between Ruturaj Gaikwad and Virat Kohli is 100 apart, but has also taken India in a very healthy position in this game, something that he's been doing for more than a decade and a half for Indian cricket. So absolutely incredible what he's being able to achieve. He's made it very clear. I know there'll be lots of fans now saying that look at his form, how good is he batting, maybe time for him to reconsider, get back into test cricket. Those sort of conversations will start, but let me make it very clear, just the last match, that's about 3 days ago, he had got 100 and he was asked this particular question that now you're in such a good form, why don't you reconsider, get back into test cricket? He made it very clear, no, that's not what I'm doing. I'm focusing on the ODI format. That's the only format that I'll continue to play, and look how well he is playing at the moment. Ably assisted there, I must say, by Ruturaj Gaikwad. Remember, he also is just playing his 8th ODI. For him also, it's been a stop-start sort of a international career. Played that first ODI almost 3 years ago, and in that 3-year period has only gotten a chance to play 8 ODIs. So it was a very crucial game for him as well, and he's notched up 100. Now, in fact, has the highest List A average in the history of cricket. That is Ruturaj Gaikwad. So it's an incredible day for the Indian team.
Right,
but you must also remember, job is only half done. We're at the halfway mark.
We hope that this brings us a victory as well. Thank you, Nikhil, for all those details.